KINCROME Industrial Compact Hand Riveter packs professional features in a compact but extremely tough chassis that fits in your pocket and has been designed and tested to tradesman specifications. The feature-packed riveter includes the long-nose design to get to hard-to-reach areas, triple moulded grips for comfort and fatigue reduction, a rubber damper to reduce rebound shock, easy spent Mandrel ejection for fast repeat use, constructed using an industrial strength cast aluminium body with a tough alloy steel handle, and heat-treated jaws which are suitable for both aluminium and stainless rivets. But at the end of the day, what we've got is a bloody great tool that any tradesman will fall in love with.
Oh, one. Oh, that's good. That's way better than last one.
Yeah.
That doesn't go in, that's the true numbers.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, what?
What?